Alright, so today we're going to be learning about the area of a trapezoid, and I will be instructing you, which makes me your trap queen. So, I want to talk a little bit first about what a trapezoid is. You'll notice that the top, first of all, there's four sides. You'll notice the top and bottom, not necessarily always top and bottom, but these two lines right here are going to be parallel. These are parallel lines. These are never going to touch. We have a name for these two lines, and this will help you figure out the area. This top one is going to be called, I want you to label this, base 1. This is going to be base 1, okay, of a trapezoid. This bottom one is going to be base 2. Base 2. So, we have base 1 and we have base 2. On a trapezoid, you'll also see the other important thing, you're going to need on a trapezoid is this measurement right here. There's a different color to show it. This measurement right here, and it's from the, again, it's from the tallest point to the base, second base, base number 2, and it's a right angle, it's perpendicular. This is our height. You're going to need base 1 and base 2 and the height to find the area of a trapezoid. I'm going to give you the formula. Once you have the formula, you can plug it in. Once you have the formula, you can plug it in and go from there. It's pretty easy. Okay. So, let's get started. I'm going to give you the formula right now, then we're going to plug it in. We'll do one practice problem, and then we're going to get going. Now, keep in mind, they may decide to give you the measurements of either of these sides. We don't need those. Those are there to throw you off. The three things you need are the two bases and your height. The formula for area is as follows. Area equals. Anyone want to take a guess?
Oh, me.
That's exactly right. 1/2 height. Same thing. We're relating our squares and our triangles into this. 1/2 height. And then in parentheses, base 1. I'm going to put a little B1 there. Plus base 2. So I'll put a little B2. We want to add the bases together first. I'm going to walk you through step by step. The first step that you want to take, step 1, is add our bases. Is add the bases. Base 1 and base 2. So, let's look at an example. We're going to start with the height. I'm going to give us a height of 17. Okay? Now, I'm going to give our base down here a height, this measurement, this base right here, will make this 25. And we'll make this final one. So the first thing that we want to do is add our bases together. But first, let's write out our formula. So everyone will be up the top. Let's write out the formula. And then you can say it with me. We're going to say area equals 1/2 height, base 1 plus base 2. So with me, area equals 1/2 height, base 1 plus base 2. And when I have them touching, when I have them all touching like this, that means I need to multiply. That's exactly right. When they're all touching like this, that means we need to multiply. So we're going to multiply the height and the base and the 1/2. We're going to do it in a certain order. The first thing we want to do is solve the parentheses first. So we're going to add our two bases together. We have 13 plus 25. So, Dylan, what is 13 plus 25?
13 plus plus 25 is 38, Mr. Bill.
All right, so our area is now 1/2 1738.
1738.
Just calm down. Now, we have to multiply 17 times 38. So when we multiply 17 and 38 together, we get 646. Write that down for me.
646.
We get 646. And then we're going to multiply that by 1/2. And as you know, we multiply something by 1/2. It's the same thing as dividing it by 2. That's exactly right. So, as you know, we multiply it by 1/2, which is the same thing as dividing by 2. So 646 divided by 2 means our area, which will be in square units, is going to be 323 units squared.